All praise and honor to Jesus Christ, the Lord. How do you know if you should engage people who are different from you, especially in their values and religion, or if you should avoid them? The key is in the depth of your own convictions and in theirs. The Lord does not call Christians to hide away in subcultures, where they stay in the comfortable environment of a shared vision and a shared spirituality with other believers. The Lord rather calls us to evangelization. He wants us to be the light of the world and the salt of the earth. However, if my faith is weak and I am easily swayed away by all kinds of strange teachings, it would be unwise to engage others whose convictions are stronger and diverse from my Catholic faith. The best thing to do is to grow in the understanding and the love of your Catholic faith before you seek to share it with others or to engage in conversations about religion, especially when the other party seems to be of the fanatic type. On my part, I am totally sold out to the Catholic faith. I believe with all my heart that it is the truth and that it proclaims the truth, and that the truth of the Catholic faith is the standard for everything else. I truly believe that Jesus Christ is the Son of God, that he became incarnate, that he is the Lord of the universe, that the second person of the Blessed Trinity, now in his human body, is the Lord of all, that he is indeed the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. And there is no scandal, no shortcoming on the part of the church's members or its leaders that could move me an inch from my conviction. In my case, the difficulty that I find when sharing my faith is not being perceived as arrogant, and also in conveying a respect for other people's journey and other people's freedom. But it is worth the try. Why? Because if I believe what my faith teaches, then I also know that it is of great importance to get the word out, to let others know about it, so that others may come to the obedience of faith and find everlasting salvation through Jesus Christ. May the Lord increase in us all the zeal for holiness, but also the zeal for souls. Jesus, I trust in you.